Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Honda CBR600RR. This middleweight supersport just arrived with only 28,000 miles. Beautiful condition with this gorgeous body kit. It's got the blacked out windscreen, fender eliminator. It's got an awesome sounding Two Brothers, new tires, rear seat cowl, adjustable levers, really cool bike. It's got a lot of curb appeal, only $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.